Desk clean. And you know why? Because there's a problem. And we're gonna do some magic with that. So let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Okay. New wood means new project. So yung unang issue nito is mauga siya. That's because of the support dito, which I removed and replaced it with this. So that problem got solved. Pero ngayon, lumambot na yung pinaka table niya. Kaya sa bigat, unti siyang nabebend. So we don't want that. That's why we're gonna remove this. Okay.
Papa,
Pauutot. Kautot? Pero since gumagabi na at nagre-request ng isa maglabas, labas muna tayo. Kapag, love you.
Kiss. Si Bob.
Peace ba? So after a few more thinking,
1, 2, 3.
we can actually still use yung pinaka-table niya. So, dapat kasi gawin nating table yan. Lahat nandito. So now, wait lang.
Wait lang, T-Rex.
Wait lang, T-Rex. So now, pwede lang palang ganito. Kasi kapag yung pagka-style kasi nito, putol. So, kulang yung kaya lumulundo yung gitna. As long as idikit ko yan, this creates a foundation versus kapag wala. So that's fine. So after doing that, patong lang pala ito. And we will have a straight table again. As long as
I zeroed up.
steady yan.
Ready? 2, 1.
That's gonna be strong.
It's a guys.
Siyempre, mas gusto nating mas strong siya. So, baka lagyan pa natin sa gitna. Yan. Para hindi mag-weaken yung gitna part over time din. So yeah, that's the plan. Bitin yung mga to this time. Pero, yun yung gagawa natin ng palaan. And I'm just gonna clean the garage and try to do some cinematics. Whew. Yeah, my heart will dance. Take away all my sadness. She's my trouble, that's what you do. Okay. Good morning. Another day to continue the work. So, I have things prepared. Nakabaliktad yan kasi the plan is we have this kasi didikit natin yan. 3 woods para tumibay yan. So you may wonder about this. Ang gagawin kasi natin dyan is and yan, I believe this can help with the maturity sa wood para mas maglalas siya. And meron akong extra na flat clear lang na paint, so just to coat it para na siya mag-act as varnish or what, naisip ko lang. Pero of course liha muna natin siya and then tsaka natin i-dikit. I have all these extra things that I set aside from time to time kasi a lot of these can be used in so many cases. Tulad ng mga to, diba? I don't need to buy anything. Everything's here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll get this done. Pagkadikit ko na ito, i-screw natin in so that still siya. Hindi siya magalaw habang pinapatuyo. And yeah, let's do the work. Let's do the work. Voila. So that's the base right there. Well, not base, pero yung pinaka foundation ng table para hindi na siya mag-bend forever. Damn. Tuwid oh. Ang tuwid. Papalakihan ko to para dun siya sa second layer. Diretso. Para maabot siya sa butas na ito na abang. We're gonna do that in 3, 2, 1. So, malaki na yung mga butas. Ito yung sinasabi ko, dapat pasok yan doon para doon siya sa second. Sa loob. At ito, pasok na. And then, carry na yan. Lagay tayo ng butas dito. Kasi, screw din natin yan. Punta sa wood. Balik na natin. We don't have the perfect quality of the hole, pero that's not what we need. We don't need perfection, we need something that works. So, this is basically complete. The table. Sturdy na yung it's not gonna bend. But we're gonna put a twist. After a few minutes of engineering techniques, measuring, and all of that, this is what we're coming up with. Pasok dito yung pinaka ating size niya. So this, babawasan na natin ang konti. So we just need 2 of this. Tapos ito, hahatiin yan. So we have that there. Ganyan. Baraboom, bam bam. This is so much fun. The more you do something like ganito, the more I do this. Even before naman, kahit hindi ko pa sinisimulan yung pag video and all that, I do a lot of DIY things. So, one thing I noticed is that you always get better and better. And you always find simply just better ways to do things, you know? Tulad nito, you know? Mga simpleng technique. Tapos ngayon, parang alam ko na this is one way to do it. To get the right measure. Kasi before, tabi-tabi mga tipong dati na sabi ko, okay lang yan. You know what, hindi makikita yan. So ngayon, I get to be this person. It's better to get the right measurement, get the right line. We're just getting better at it each and every time. And I really like just doing things and just learning things along the way. Find your own techniques, find your own diskarte through things. Diba? And yun lang yung importante doon. Diba? Angas lang. Good stuff. Okay. Looks good. Oopsie. Boom. Makinisin natin yan and then baka pinturahan na rin. We'll see. Makinis na. So, let's go there. We can decide later on kung kailangan natin siyang idikit or screwin kung whichever. Kasi I thought na baka sa side siya pwede or this other side. Baka sa gitna. That's something for later. Right now, we're gonna do some burning. Torch natin and then later on, pwede nating pinturahan. You know, but that's basically it. That's a project for this slow day. Tibay na siya. Then flat na siya. Kaya? Did I do good? So ayun, sabi pa ni Mami, itapon na daw tong table na to. Sising-sisi na kasi siya sa pagkabili. Pero since hindi tayo ganun, pag kaya ayusin, dapat ayusin. So ayun, ginamitan lang natin ng 5% utak, tapos 95% kilos, then boom, walang imposible. I'm no carpenter guys, just a bit of common sense, konting engineering understanding, at syempre puno ng pag-asa. Kaya yan, ginagawa nating posible ang mga gantong simpleng bagay na sa karamihan ay sinusukuan na. Besides, we've got the energy, we got the tools, kaya naman bigyan ng oras, and honestly, I just like making myself useful. So yun lang, thanks for watching. Kung andyan ka man, mag-isa, ikaw lang ang kailangan ko. Salamat!